Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once more somewhere where you don't have the sliders like the volume or brightness, and this will extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be our hotspot toggle. For me, it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will take you to the settings where you can customize a couple of things. Probably most importantly, things like the hotspot password. So let's click right here, hotspot password. Automatically selects it so we can get rid of it, as it is randomly generated, so it's not that great of a password. Once you remove it, you can then set up your own, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing in here. So make sure you click on save to save the changes. And from here you can close this, find the toggle once more, and simply tap on it to enable it. And from here you can now connect to your hotspot. Now going back to the settings, let me quickly check something. We do not have the option to turn off hotspot automatically. Oh no, there it is. So this is enabled, so it will turn off your hotspot automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. So if you forget about it, forget to turn it off, don't worry, the device will do it for you. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because hotspot consumes more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, it's obviously beneficial to you to have it off. And if you remembered about it, you can obviously turn it off yourself by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.